Understanding the phrase, see eye to eye, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, see eye to eye. This phrase is commonly used in conversations, and understanding its meaning can greatly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive into the world of English idioms and uncover the essence of this expression. See eye to eye is an idiom used to express agreement or shared opinions between people. When someone says, "We see eye to eye on this topic," it means they agree with each other or have the same viewpoint. It's important to understand that this phrase is often used in the context of resolving disagreements or finding common ground. The phrase, see eye to eye, has an interesting origin. It is believed to have biblical roots, dating back to the book of Isaiah in the Old Testament. This idiom has been used over centuries, evolving into a common expression in modern English to describe agreement or mutual understanding. To better understand how to use see eye to eye, let's look at some examples. 1. After a long discussion, we finally saw eye to eye on the marketing strategy. 2. Even though they are twins, they rarely see eye to eye on anything. 3. It's great working with Julia. We often see eye to eye on project ideas. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, highlighting agreement or concordance in opinions. A common mistake learners make is using see eye to mean literally seeing something with someone else. Remember, this phrase is figurative and is about agreeing with someone, not about physically looking at something together. And there you have it. See eye to eye is a wonderful phrase that enriches our communication by expressing agreement or shared viewpoints. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using see eye to eye in your own sentences. See you in the next video.